Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Another video on Microvision ticker symbol MVIS, and I want to talk about this mostly on an update and what is happening. I just made a video on MVIS I think the day before, and I'm just making it again. And if you can remember here, especially if you're subscribed to this channel and if you watch my previous video, I talked about this two blue line where I'm showing that the price is overall is going up, is an upward trend, even though we are seeing volatility is moving from $6 to 23, came down to again $10, 30 again came down. But I talked about it because you can see that how this thing is moving, comes here, comes down again, E-shaped recovery, and if the trend continues it might go to hit $30 again. It's a long term, it can be mid term, it can be short term, because now what is happening, all the shares which has a high short interest, they are getting squeezed, right? We know about AMC, KOSS, BlackBerry, Bed Bath Beyond, so we know what's happening. I'm not gonna touch it there, but today we made a lot of profit. We also talked about skills this morning, pre-market, and we went up by 25 to 30%. So again, congratulations for making money. If you are new to this particular channel, please subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, at least leave a like button. So anyway, so that's the overall trend, and I will talk about it because it seems very important, the price action we are seeing currently. I will come back here, but just for one moment, let's look at here. Today we were up 6%, after market I don't count 17 cents, but on a daily chart, look at the two lines, the black line and the purple line, right? So the black line is the 20-day simple moving average, and this one, the purple one, is 50-day moving average. Whenever the blue line is up, then it's a bullish momentum, and whenever you see it comes down, then you see the momentum is changing. So normally when 20 crosses 50, it is considered as a very bullish momentum. So the short term momentum is gaining over long term. So you can see what's happening here. So the 20 moving thing is crossing the 51, so it seems like that's something good, and also you can see the share price is going up. So that is one thing, right? The other thing I want to talk, that in my last video I talked about 28% short volume ratio. The video was uploaded on June 1st, today is June 2nd. So 28%, and today when I look at it, it is 24%. So it seems like the short interest has reduced. The short volume is now 7.1 million and it was previously 7.7 million. So some short has already covered their position. So anyway, short volume is less, but still it is over 20%. It can be a candidate for a short squeeze. But why I'm here, mostly to give you an update why it is important to hold the price. Look at the lines here. I'm gonna draw some horizontal line here, and this line here around 19, I would say around 1905, 1920, you see the picture, right? So many times it was rejected here, came down again, rejected, came down, rejected, came down, but whenever it crossed that line, the last time we went over 19.4 area, we went all the way to $27, and now you see we are again trying to hit this particular line here, right? So we are here. So it is very important we do not come back down. At least we go sideways, or we start tomorrow on top of the line. In that case, we can go for a run. In the pre-market, I remember the pre-market, what happened. Let me show you a 1 minute chart here so I can show you better. So you see, pre-market we were up. Maybe I'll zoom because it's small dots here, right? So the yellow bar is the pre-market, right? So it was after market yesterday. So the pre-market we were up yesterday, but the problem is we could not hold that line. We came down, we tried to go over it again, we came down, you see, then we came down all the way again around 11:30. We tried to go up again, we got the resistance, we came down, then we broke it for some time, moved sideways, again came down, and again we are coming down. So you see, so many times we are hitting this particular line, and it is so important we win and we cross this particular resistance. I think it is very important. Let's see how around, let's see the pre-market of today, 1920. Let's be more conservative. If we can cross the $20 mark, 19.5 to 20, this area, then I think that would be the most interesting part. 19.5, 19.6, you see, right? So if we can break this particular one, that would be the good thing, because after that I think we are ready to run. And why I'm saying this, you see here, if we are above that line, we do not have so many resistance here, right? We might have some resistance 20.8, it does not matter, but we should run. Last time we made a high of 27.5, and the previous time we made at least 24, so we can definitely run if we go over 19.5 area. Also, moving from daily, let's move to a 30-minute chart in case you are interested to see some other resistance here, right? So 22.5, this is something here, and maybe around this area, 23.5. Yeah, so there could be another resistance around, sorry, why I'm having so many lines here. Yeah, it's showing me so many lines. Just give me a second here. Yeah, so that's the other resistance around 23.5, because you see it was here and also sometime here. So once we go over 20, maybe we can run up to 23.5, and once it is gone, then we will just run. So you see the picture, right? So if you're a long-term holder, definitely do not need to worry, because the overall trend is going upward. If you're a short-term holder and you want to play MVIS, this is very volatile, but this moves so fast. Last time it moved from $10 to $30, so you can see how fast it can move. So you can play with call option. I was playing with call option. I was making a lot of money. At the same time, like, I'm having some shares as well, and now everything is happening with the short interest, short squeeze and everything. That is why I just want to make the video that tomorrow you see where we open, maybe we can go up, then we come down. If we bounce back that from that 19.5 area, then this is a very good sign. You can enter with a call option if you want and run up to $23. But again, I'm very bullish. And while I'm talking about call option, let's look at the call option here. So anything expiring this Friday is very volatile, and I don't want to touch this one. Maybe take longer expiry date, maybe 16th of July. It will give you 44 days to expire. Yeah, because of longer expiry date, you might have more premium. But again, you see, some people are betting 25 strike price. There are like 4,800 call options waiting. Even look at 20 strike price, 4,000 call options are waiting, right? So again, up to you. But if it goes like over 20, I think 23.5 could be the resistance. In that case, 20 plus 3.3 is 23.3 is your break even. So that's a good choice if you can get in and ride and you can get out. Today you see this one was up 36%. Basically it is up $90 whoever bought it. So anyway, call options are also good, but in case it comes down, you see the implied volatility 157%. That thing can kill your premium. So you can do few things. Do not just blindly jump in the morning. Look at the price action. If you see we are holding the 19.5 20 area, then maybe you get in. Also in the pre-market, look at the pre-market how we are doing. Who knows, like we can have a blast tomorrow. Like all the other ones, like skills, when I made the video in the morning, it was around $18, I guess, and it went all the way to $23. And MVIS, we know how fast it can move. So anyway, this particular video is just to make you give you a quick update. So if you like this video, please leave a hit. I'm so excited. Please like the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.